Hi, my name is Shannon Burns. I'm the owner of Birdsong Quilting, Embroidery and Crafts. We're a full-service store for all of you quilters and home embroiderers. If you would like to come visit us, our address is 228 East Main Street, located in downtown historic Georgetown, Kentucky. And our phone number is 502-603-8211. For those of you that know me, you know I'm an early riser. But this morning I was up extra early because I'm so excited to tell you about our new weekly Flutterbys. Our Flutterbys will be our weekly videos showcasing products, rulers, techniques. We may have a quilter of the month here and there. We'll have employee picks and we'll have customer favorites. Please stop by the store if you'd like an additional demonstration, and just stay tuned every week for our videos. Thank you.